Come on, let's go. Let's go walking at the park early in the morning. It's a very good exercise. The wind is still fresh and the sun is still not out. It's also a very good place to go for a jogging or walk your dog at the oval. Pwede nyo ring dalhin ang inyong mga anak para maglaro. May swings, may slide, o kahit na tumakbo-takbo dyan. At pwede rin naman mag-picnic. Or maupo kasama ng iyong mahal sa buhay, magpahangin, magkwentuhan, o dalhin ang barkada, makipagmaritesan. Hala, sige, dyan muna kayo at ako'y maglalakad-lakad lang. Okay, have a good day, everyone! O ayan, patunay, may couple. Nakaupo, nagkukwentuhan, nakarelax habang nanunood sa mga asong naglalaro sa oval.